In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute yourself on Microsoft Teams. Whether you're joining a meeting for work, school, or a casual chat, knowing how to manage your microphone is essential to ensure smooth communication and minimize background noise. First up, let's dive into the very beginning. You'll need to navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Once there, look for the Sign In button and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your account details, so go ahead and sign in with your username and password. If you're already signed in, you'll skip this step and go straight to the Teams interface. Once you're signed in, your next move is to find the calendar on the left side of the screen. The calendar is where all your scheduled meetings are listed. Clicking here will show you what's on for today and in the future. It's pretty straightforward, you just need to find the meeting you are joining. After locating the correct meeting in your calendar, you'll see an option to join. It's usually a big button that's hard to miss. Click on this to begin the process of entering the meeting. You might have a moment here to check your video and audio settings before fully diving in. Next, you'll see the Join Now button. Clicking this means you're ready to enter the meeting. Before you do click though, make sure you're prepared. Have any necessary files or notes ready. Ensure you're in a quiet place and that your camera and microphone are working as they should. Finally, the most crucial part for us today, muting yourself. Once you've joined the meeting, take a look at the center of the Teams interface. You'll notice a toolbar with various icons. Find the microphone icon, it's usually easy to spot. Clicking this will mute your microphone, preventing any sound from your end from going through to the meeting. You'll know you're muted when the icon changes, typically showing a line through the microphone, and there you go, you've successfully muted yourself in a Microsoft Teams meeting. Remember, it's crucial to keep yourself muted when you're not speaking. This helps keep the meeting free from background noise and distractions. When you want to speak, just click the microphone icon again to unmute yourself. It's also worth noting that you can test your audio before joining any meeting in Teams. This can be done by clicking on your profile picture at the top right of the Teams window and selecting Settings. Here you'll find options to test your microphone, which is a good practice to ensure everything is working perfectly. Understanding how to mute and unmute yourself is a small but significant part of participating in digital meetings. It demonstrates respect for other participants and contributes to a more productive and orderly meeting environment. Thank you for following along in today's video on how to mute yourself on Microsoft Teams. With this skill now under your belt, you're all set for smoother, more professional online meetings. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to familiarize yourself with these steps before your next meeting. Happy communicating.